What is keratin treatment? It is a cosmetic or beauty product used to straighten hair. It is also called a Brazilian keratin treatment or Brazilian blowout. Benefits of keratin treatment: make smooth, shiny hair, long-lasting results, more manageable hair, helps hair growth, and improve color and shine. Keratin treatment with argan oil. This treatment hydrates the hair, reverse damage caused by chemicals, coloring, and environmental damage. Also reduce dry, dull, and frizzy hair. Keratin treatment with virgin coconut oil. This treatment nourish and hydrate the hair, gives hair long-lasting, healthy, and vibrant condition, prevent pleating and breaking, allows hair to grow longer, faster, and smoother. Keratin treatment with castor oil. This treatment is for thicker and longer hair, helps nourish hair follicles, aid in repair and renewal of hair cells. Hair grows stronger, healthier, and more resilient. Keratin treatment with aloe vera. This treatment deeply repair hair damaged by chemical treatment, help repair and nourish every strand, and miracle treatment for visibly soft and manageable hair. Keratin treatment with manuka honey. This treatment restores hair's natural volume, deeply moisturizes and kills bacteria, leaving hair clean and hydrated. Get long, bouncy, and shiny hair. Keratin treatment with tea tree. This treatment has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, help clear dandruff and oil dirt build up from hair, and it shy away from flaky scalp. Keratin treatment with milk protein. This treatment helps moisturize and nourish hair. It improves hair manageability by restoring hair's natural protective layer, rebuilding its strength and elasticity, reduce damage caused by chemicals, and leaving hair more silky and manageable. These keratin treatments is a 3-minute repair for your hair. They are all sulfate-free, paraben-free, and formulated in Canada. To use, apply a generous amount to towel-dried hair from roots with a gentle massaging motion. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, rinse with warm water and style as desired. Thank you for watching. Till next time.